Good morning, students. I am your RJ sir. Today we are going to discuss JEE Main's chemistry syllabus for 2026. Everything we'll discuss. Whatever topics are there, subtopics are there in chemistry. Clearly, I will explain. This is very important class, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Okay, without wasting our time, we'll start the class. See all of you. This is our JEE Main syllabus 2026 for chemistry. Clear, friends? Yeah. How many topics are there? What are those? We'll discuss one by one. First, you can see physical chemistry, unit 1. In physical chemistry, unit 1, some basic concepts in chemistry. Last year also same topic is there. Now also we have same syllabus in this. So, okay, in this syllabus, whatever subtopics are there, you can see all of you concentrate. Okay, whatever subtopics are there, all of you concentrate. See this matter and its nature, Dalton's atomic theory, concept of atom, molecules, elements, compound, law of chemical combination. This is very important, law of chemical combination, and we have see that atomic and molecular masses. Okay, and we have one more important topic in our chemistry. All of you see this mole concept. Very important. This is mole concept. So many questions will come. Okay, and the percentage composition also there. That is also important. And empirical formula, right? Molecular formula and chemical equation that is based on stoichiometric calculation. These topics are important. Okay, and don't forget Dalton atomic theory is introduced in this. That's right. Now we'll go for next topic is atomic structure unit 2. Atomic structure unit 2. Okay, in this we have a complete syllabus is there. So okay, complete syllabus is there. See electromagnetic radiation is there. Subtopic is important. Photoelectric effect is already there. We completed this topic. And hydrogen spectrum also there. Bohr's atomic model. Previously we completed PYQ questions. Better you can see my videos already uploaded and postulates of this theory. Okay, and electron radius, so many questions are there, previously 2025 questions, and different orbitals and orbits. Okay, limitation of Bohr's theory also there, right? And de Broglie's relationship also there, dual nature, and Heisenberg and scientific principle also there, right? Quantum mechanics also there, based on this one question also asked in the previous examination, right? And atomic orbitals also. So, okay, and the wave function, Schrodinger wave equation, and also we have quantum numbers. Okay, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number. This also previously asked one question, and shape of particle. This also previously asked one question. Okay, and Aufbau principle, right? Pauli principle, everything On's rule, right? And stability of field. This is also previously asked one question. 2025. These all are there. Clear? Don't forget. Next one, Unit 3. Come to Unit 3. Unit 3. Unit 3 is chemical bonding and molecular structure. That we have done. So same question Lewis theory. Okay. And chemical bonding. Concept of ionic bond, covalent bond. This is also there previously. Right? Ionic bond, formation of ionic bond. Factors affecting. So many questions asked previously. We'll discuss lattice enthalpy also there. And covalent bond. We can see covalent bonding and electronegativity. Poisson's rule, very important. I completed this one. We can see that video. And dipole moment, valence cell electron theory. This also I completed. Once you see this my video, everything clearly explained. Previous questions also explained. And the shape of the molecule also explained. Clear. And quantum mechanics. It is also there in approach. Covalent bonding. Again in given in this valence bond theory, right? And hybridization, based on this also I explained sp2 sp3 hybridization and techniques, how to calculate hybridization, everything I explained. Okay, and molecular orbital theory MOT also explained clearly how to calculate how to calculate bond order. I explained clearly. You can check it out. Okay, so many videos I uploaded, and LCAO least combination of atomic orbital. One example I given for N2, O2, and so many examples also given. Right, bonding, anti-bonding, all these things. Yes, friends, and you will go for here. Metallic bonding, hydrogen bonding. Yes, hydrogen bonding also I explained. Once you check it out, hydrogen bonding also I explained. See that video, hydrogen bonding also there, and so many examples also there. Types of hydrogen bonding and mix here. Chemical thermodynamics. Unit 4 is thermodynamics, nothing but thermodynamics, right? And states of matter is not there. Last time also not there. This time also not there, right? So in chemical thermodynamics, whatever topics are there, we'll check it out. See, system surroundings, very important. System and surroundings. Based on this, many questions will ask. Okay, what is the system? And one more properties, that is extensive and intensive properties are there. Compulsory question will come. Function, state function, path function, entropy, and the type of process. Right? First law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, concept work, heat, internal energy, enthalpy, and heat capacity. Yes, all these things are there. And molar heat capacity, S law of constant heat summation, enthalpies, bond dissociation, combustion, formation, atomization, sublimation, phase transition, hydration, ionization, solution means enthalpy of solution. Second law of thermodynamics also there, that is spontaneity, right? And delta S, delta G, entropy and Gibbs free energy, criteria spontaneous, right? And everything is given there. So all are there. So don't forget to cover all these things. Okay, this is next one here. Third law of thermodynamics is not given. See this, third law is not given. So up to second law only given. To second law is given. The spontaneity will come automatically. Third law, but not given, not mentioned anything. Right? So that is next one. We'll go for here solutions. Right? Solution. This is here second year topic. Solution. Molarity, right? Mole fraction, right? And vapor pressure, conditions. That is Raoult's law also given. Ideal and non-ideal solutions, ideal and non-ideal solutions, and non-ideal solution plots, graphs, colligative properties are there, right? So that is first one, relative lowering of vapor pressure, depression increasing point, elevation of boiling point, and osmotic pressure. These are four colligative properties are there. Clear? Next one, and how to determine the molar mass of by using colligative properties. That is abnormal molar mass also given. Abnormal molar mass also given. Check it out here. What is a abnormal molar mass? See, that is determination of molar mass by using colligative properties. Right? Abnormal molar mass. That is want of factor also the equilibrium is given. See all of you. Unit 6 is chemical equilibrium. Just equilibrium is given. Actually, chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, both are there. But here commonly is given is statement is means heading is equilibrium. Check it out. So what is the meaning of equilibrium? Dynamic equilibrium in a physical process, solid gas and solid gas equilibrium. Henry's law. That is nothing but solution one topic, but is separated. Actually, this is Henry's law. All these things comes under the solution, but is given in another heading, and in this Henry's law is given. That is very important. See, physical process involving equilibrium, and we have here chemical process involving equilibrium. Law of chemical equilibrium, right? KPKC. See this. Actually, Henry's law is there in a first, second year, but is given in a first year's concepts, right? That is very interesting. And one more KCKP relations and significance, and delta G naught. Okay, and factors affecting equilibrium concentration, pressure, temperature, and Lee-Chatler principle. Right, student? Ionic equilibrium, weak and strong electrolytes. Okay, And here in equilibrium only given directly acid bases, that is Arrhenius theory, Rorschach theory, Lewis theory. Clear, everything is given. And ionization constants, water and pH scale, common ion effect, salt hydrolysis, right? pH of this solution, I think sparingly soluble, and KSP, solubility product, buffer solution. Yes, everything is covered. That is specially we need to mention that Henry's constant. See, Henry's constant is given, Henry's law is given in a equilibrium. Actually, it is in a solutions right now. Okay, no problem. Next one, we'll go for here, Unit 7, redox reactions. That is nothing but here, see, electrochemistry. Electrochemistry redox reaction combinedly first year and second year is mixed here. Redox reactions are there in first year, electrochemistry second year. So this is the combination. First one, okay, oxidation and reduction and redox reactions. That is oxidation number, rules assuming oxidation number, balancing redox reaction. This is first year concept. And here next one, electrolyte, metallic conduction, conductance, and electrolytic solutions, molar variation. That is here, Kohlrausch law, Kohlrausch law. See all of you, Kohlrausch law, right? See, Kohlrausch law. Concentrate here, Kohlrausch law, its applications, and followed by conductivities of their molar conductance and equivalent conductance. All these things given. Next, electrochemical cells, electrolytic cell, galvanic cell, and different type of electrodes. Electrode potentials include SC, standard electron electrode, off cell and cell reactions, EMF, galvanic cell, right? Measurement, Nernst equation, applications, relation between the cell potential and Gibbs free energy, and cells, dry cell and leading cells, and last fuel cell. Everything is given. Clear? So here we have to consider one thing. There is no, in a chemical electrochemistry we have a Faraday's law. So there is no Faraday's law here. Check it out, all of you. See, where is the Faraday's law? See, electrolyte, metallic conduction, electrolytic solutions, molar conductance. This everything is related to conductivity only. Electrochemicals is direct electrolytic cell, electrolytic and galvanic cells. Right? Right. See this? Different types of electrode and potential is she, everything is given. So electrolytic, that is only electrolytic and galvanic cell. Here is a some word. We need to discuss this. This word will give you mostly all. But here heading is electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cell, electrolytic cells. Both are there. Na? Electrolytic cells are Paradise. Electrochemical cells are galvanic cells. All these things. So here only this word is given completely. I think there is no full details about Paradise law. Clear, Shwin? That's next one. Come to that next point. Next lesson. Kinetics. Chemical kinetics. Okay. Chemical kinetics. See this. What is here? Previously, we discussed same way chemical thermodynamics. This is chemical thermodynamics. This is chemical kinetics. Don't confuse. So this is purely second year topic. What is this? Rate of reaction, factors affecting rate of reaction, factors affecting rate of reaction. Are you able to see this? That is concentration, temperature, pressure, catalyst. And elementary reaction, complex reaction. See? Elementary and complex reactions. Elementary reactions for the molecularity, complex reaction for the order of the reaction. So therefore, order and molecularity both are there. So rate constant, units, yes, very important this is. And integral forms of zero order, first order, same to same, and their characteristics of lives, right? And the temperature rate constant, Arrhenius equation may be here. See Arrhenius theory, right? Activation energy, so many questions are there based on this, and their calculations. Yes, this is very important. Collision theory. So no derivation is not there, right? That is, this is here chemical kinetics. Okay, right. Next, come to that inorganic chemistry. So this is here physical chemistry is completed. Now we'll go for here inorganic chemistry. Clear? This is your physical chemistry completed. Up to 8 units are physical chemistry. Ninth unit onwards, we have here, see, ninth unit onwards, we have here, first year again we have, that is classification of elements. That is nothing but periodic table is there. Previously, periodic table all properties not there. This time we'll see what type of properties are given. See, modern periodic law is there. Directly modern periodic law. No genesis of periodic table. Nothing is given. Directly modern periodic law is given. Okay. See, present form of periodic table. That is nothing but SPDF blocks are given. That is okay. And trends are given. That is trends in the properties, atomic radius, atomic size, electronegativity, electropositivity, all these things. Okay. And see, given atomic and ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, valency, whatever given, very important, oxidation states and chemical reaction. That's it. Okay, remaining in a classification domains, so many properties are there, but they are not there. The example, okay, students. So this is here. Now come to that unit 10. Unit 10. All of you see this. Unit 10. Yes, come to that. So unit 10, we have here groups. Again, 13 group to 18 group. That is nothing but here hydrogen's compound is not there. First year group and second year group, alkali, alkaline earth metals are not there. Directly enter into third group, that is 13 group to 18 group. That is third group, boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and we have here fluorine, halogens, also zero group elements. All are there. But what they have given synopsis, that is important. We'll check it out. Okay. Concentrate here. Very important. There is so much confusion for all the students because in the groups, what we need to study, sir? So many students are asking me. So, okay, I will tell you. Listen carefully. All of you concentrate. So, general introduction. In all lessons, general introduction, even 13 group, 14 group, all groups, general introduction we need required. What is general introduction, sir? Yes, concentrate here. Electronic configuration. Compulsory. One question will come because 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Totally 6 groups are there, students, right? So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 groups. 6 groups means compulsory electronic computation of any element will be asked in any group. Don't forget. And general trends, that physical properties and chemical properties of elements across the period and down the group. This is, you see, what is asking, trends in a physical and chemical properties of elements. That is nothing but not chemical properties means chemistry of boron, chemistry of aluminium, chemistry of carbon. That is not chemical property yet. Down the group in a period, sorry, in a group, down the group, physical properties are what happen means atomic size, electronegativity, ionization enthalpy. What happening here down the group? Melting points, boiling point. These are physical densities, isn't it? And oxidation state. Chemical properties are here. See, for example, reactivity. What happened reactivity down the group, right? How they are react with other compounds. That is here some oxidation states, some inert pair effect. That such type of properties will be asked in a chemical properties of elements across the period down the group means 13 group to 18 group in a period what happened and in a down group also what happened. This is nothing but again we are studying classification of elements. That's why see up ninth unit is classification of elements, and again 10th unit also related to nothing but classification of elements only. That is general properties we need to study. Clear, friend? So there is no word like that preparations and chemical properties of elements. There is no preparations of boron, there is no preparation of aluminium, and for example oxygen, ozone, sulfur, nitrogen, like this, isn't it? There is no such type of word is given, just general trend and physical and chemical properties of elements across the period and down the group. That is nothing but So, and one more word is given. You have to mention here unique behavior of first element of each group. That is compulsory. We have to learn. So that is here abnormal behavior of each element in the any group. That is common question. So we know we have here all elements. For example, nitrogen smaller size, fluorine small size compared to its group and having different electronegativity. All these things. Such type of question we'll ask. Clear? That is about unit 11 D and F block elements. This is there. Transition elements, right? Transition elements that is nothing but D block elements. Okay. And general electron introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, right? Characteristics, general trends here also. Inner properties. First row of transition elements: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. That is first row. Based on the first row, not second row, third row. They are asking only first row properties. And physical properties: ionization enthalpy, oxidation states, atomic radius, okay, color properties, catalytic behavior, magnetic properties. These are your transition properties. What are these? Transition properties and complex formation. These are transition properties are there up to your interstitial compounds. So here onwards, what is it? Oxygen states, atomic radius, color properties, catalytic behavior, magnetic properties, complex compound, interstitial compounds, and formation of complex compounds. Everything is there, and alloy formation also there. All transition properties are there. And see this here preparation also there very important. See preparation and properties and uses of particularly these two, potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate. These are very important, right? Next one, F block elements. F block elements mean inner transition elements also. Lanthanides, okay, lanthanides and electronic configuration, their oxidation states. Lanthanide contraction very important. Compulsory question will ask. Next one, you can come here. See, actinides also there. Actinides also there. Actinides, electronic configuration and oxidation state. That's it. So generally they are asking only electronic configuration and oxidation state. Okay, sir. Unit 12, coordination compounds. Yeah, we have this topic also, right? Very important topic. Introduction to coordination compounds. Yes, this is Werner's theory, very important. Compulsory question from this. Ligands, coordination number, density, that is. Okay, how many ligands can donate? Chelation, IUPAC nomenclature, very important. See, coordination compound, mononuclear, their nomenclature, their isomerism, bonding, valence bond approach, right? Basis ideas of crystal field theory. This is also important. And color properties, magnetic properties. This is common, right? Importance of coordination compounds, qualitative analysis. This is here practical chemistry, extraction of metals from the biological system. That is magnesium, right? Calcium, EDTA, such type of some complex compounds. Up to 8 units we have here physical chemistry. You see here up to 8 physical chemistry. So 9, 10, and 11, 12 inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry most important topic. Okay, most important organic. Last but not least, in organic chemistry you can see unit 13. Unit 13, purification and characterization of organic compounds. That is very important. Okay, you know this is nothing but here purification techniques. That is crystallization, right? Sublimation, distillation, and different differential extraction of chromatography. Principles of their applications. So chromatography, you have paper chromatography, thin layer chromatography, right? That is partition chromatography. All these things are there. Next, in this, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis both are there, right? Very this is important. Detection of nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, halogens. This is common only, right? That is estimation of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, halogen, sulfur. Common question. This is common syllabus as it is we have, right? Next one, calculation of empirical formula, molecular formula, and organic quantitative analysis. That is here differently. we need to discuss here. Here also, stoichiometry also. Same empirical formula, molecular formula, also there in a stoichiometry, that is reduction. Unit 14, some basic principles of organic chemistry. Tetravalency of carbon, clear, and shape of molecule, hybridization, okay, and classification of organic compound based on their functional groups, and for example, oxygen, halogen, nitrogen, sulfur, homologous series, that is isomerism, structural isomerism, stereoisomerism, right? And nomenclature common system and IUP system and covalent bond fission, right? Homolytic fission, heterolytic fission, free radicals, reaction intermediates. This is carbocation, carbon ions, clear? Stability of carbon ion, right? Free radicals, electrophiles, nucleophiles, all these things. Electronic displacement. But here again here, inductive effect, bond displacement, right? Electromagnetic effect, resonance, hyperconjugation, these are common, right? So, and common type of organic reaction. Sublimation, addition, elimination, rearrangement. Unit 15. Unit 15 is classification, isomerism, IUPAC nomenclature, general method preparation. See here, hydrocarbon also we have nomenclature, general method of preparations, properties, all these things are there. Properties, all these things are there. Right? Chemical properties, physical properties, reactions. Right? Example alkenes, and alkynes, and aromatic compound, that is benzene. Here, in alkane, geometrical isomerism, right? Electrophilic addition of hydrogen, halogen, water, halides, Markovnikov of rule also there, right? That is anti-Markovnikov of rule also there, ozonolysis also there, right? Next one, polymerization also there. See, in alkane also conformations are given, that is isomerism, right? And source and Newman projection formulas of conformations of ethane, halogenation also given. Clear sense. That is here alkynes, acidic nature of alkynes, addition of all addition reactions are given. Polymerization here also given, right? Then benzene, nomenclature of benzene, structure, aromaticity. This is important, right? Electrophilic substitution reactions, that is halogenation and nitration. Okay, solvents, right? We'll go for here. Clear cut alkylation, especially acylation, and directive influence of function group. Okay, different functions for the monosubstitute benzene, how it is behaved, right? The unit 16th unit, organic compounds containing halogens. General methods, that is preparation, properties, that is CX bond mechanism, substitution reaction, that is same, no change in this. Okay, in this heading, so many concepts we need to discuss. Uses is also given, environment effect, chloroform, iodoform, prions, very important question will come. DTT, unit 17 is organic compounds containing oxygen. So this is different heading. We need to discuss about this. General methods of preparations of all the compounds which contain oxygen. So that is alcohols also contain, phenols also contain, ethers also contain, aldehydes also contain, ketones also contain. These all are comes under this list. Alcohols. Alcohols, identification of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. There is common mechanism of dehydration. And phenols also acidic nature of phenol, electrolytic substitution reactions, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation. Reamer-Timmer reaction is mentioned. Chemical properties, physical preparation. Here will come. Preparation means all named reaction and all will come. Okay, they are not mentioned, but especially Reamer-Timmer is mentioned means we have to consider on this. Ethers means here common for all general methods and preparations, properties and reaction uses. Here structure also important. Okay, that is given. Next one, aldehydes and ketone. So nature of carbonyl compound, nucleophilic additions, that is very nucleophilic addition reactions. That is HCl, very important. NH3 and derivatives. So many reactions are there. Very important. Grignard reagent. Oxidation reactions, reduction reactions. These are your Wolff-Kishner reaction and Clemmensen. Compulsory these two will come. Next, aldol condition, Cannizzaro reaction, right? And off reaction. And the difference between aldehydes and ketones, whatever tests are there, Next one, carboxylic acids also covered. That is special. Carbonic acid we have a acidic state factors affecting on it. Also we have to concentrate. This is general methods of preparation also there for acids and properties also there for this one. Reactions also there, uses also there for this. In Unit 18, organic compounds containing nitrogen. This is last. Okay. So nitrogen means we have amines. You listen? Amines. So amines means we have preparation also there. Properties, uses are common. So amines here nomenclature very important. Classification, structure, basic nature very important here. Basic nature very important, right? And primary, secondary test also we have very important. So many tests are there, right? And isonium salts, this especially importance about synthetic organic chemistry, especially mentioned synthetic. Okay, right? Very important questions. And cyanide isocyanates are not given. 19 unit is biomolecule, very important. So here polymers are not there, right? Polymers are not there. Chemistry in everyday life also not there. Environmental chemistry first year, chemistry everyday life second year, environmental chemistry first year. These are not there. Polymers also not there. Don't forget. Okay. Synopsis are here. Introduction, importance of biomolecules. That is there. First, we can discuss carbohydrates. Next to proteins and vitamins and amino acids. That is nucleic acid. In this, especially classification of carbohydrates, aldose, ketose, and monosaccharide, disaccharides, all these things, and oligo up to oligosaccharides. Example. Okay, proteins, amino acids and peptide bond, polypeptide protein and primary, secondary, tertiary protein. Their quaternary protein structures. Very important. Okay, qualitative idea only, not quantitative. Okay, qualitative idea. Next to this is very important. Denaturation of proteins. Very important. Enzymes also given. Okay, enzyme just only one word is given. Enzyme not adding. So see little bit about enzymes. Vitamins, classification of vitamins and their function. This is that much only we have. And nucleic acids very important. RNA and DNA both will be important. Heavy structure and everything will be important. Hormones also given. General introduction about hormones. Yeah. Okay. Unit 20, detection. This is a qualitative and quantitative chemistry, that is practical chemistry. So, okay, we are going to do in a second year practical. So based on that, these questions will come, right? What is there? Detection of elements. Similarly, we have already previously discussed. Same thing also there in there. But this is related to practicals. Okay, that is theory. This is practical. Functional groups, hydroxyl alcohol phenol, and organic chemistry completely, and amino groups in organic chemistry. So, okay, the direction of nitrogen, sulfur, halogens, and also in organic compound related basis, practical chemistry. Okay, and we have here see chemistry involving in the preparation of following, that is inorganic compounds, more salt, potash, alum. Preparations of more salt, preparation of potash, alum. Okay, also we have here organic compounds preparations in a practical: acetanilide, paranitro-acetanilide, aniline, yellow, iodoform. These are there. And one more is there. One more also there. See this chemistry involved titometry, acid titometry, base and indicators. What type of indicators we are using? Here, one potassium permanganate. More salt versus potassium permanganate. These are very important. These two are one very chemical principles involved in a qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis, very important. All of you. Here we have two. One is cation, another is anion. So whatever cations are there, whatever anions are there, we need to discuss. See, iron, zinc plus 2, nickel plus 2, calcium plus 2, barium plus 2, magnesium plus 2, ammonia plus 2. These are the cations. Okay, iron plus 3 onwards. Pb plus 2, Cu plus 2, Al plus 3 also there. In anions, especially we'll discuss here anions. See, carbonates, sulfide, sulfate, nitrate, okay, nitrite, and chloride, and bromide, iodide. So insoluble salts excluded. not include. Actually mentioned this one. Chemical principles involving the following experiments. That is, experiment 1 is enthalpy of solution copper sulfate, and experiment 2 is enthalpy of neutralization strong acid and strong base. Experiment 3 is preparation of lyophilic and lyophobic solution. This is practical. Okay, practical questions. So based on that practical questions, also we have some questions in JEE Mains. Okay, concentrate on this. Next one, fourth question, kinetic study. Okay, of the reactions iodine with the hydrogen peroxide at room temperature. These are the complete syllabus about your JEE Mains. Okay, students, check it out once. 20 units are there. Okay, 20 units are there. So everything is very important, and some concepts are added, some concepts are deleted, and especially some concept means organic chemistry. Most of the concepts are there, but in organic chemistry, some concepts are not having some clarity. But we need to prepare all because in advance everything is there. Okay, in advance everything is there, so don't skip anything, learn everything. But whatever synopses are given in our JEE Mains, first you have to concentrate on this. After completion of JEE Mains qualification, means you qualified, then again you have to practice remaining what you missed. Okay, students, all the best, and thank you very much watching my channel, and please subscribe for more details and more information, and coming with the next video with all this concept with some more important questions related to this topic. Thank you.